So guys, welcome to my channel. In my today video, I'm going to be showing you all how to crochet a bunny. So I'm using the yarn bonbon. So I'm using the yarn bonbon, and this bonbon is having 100 gram and 290 centimeters. So I'm going to be using crochet hook 3.5 millimeters. So let me go straight to the point, guys. The first thing I'm going to begin with a chain. So I'll begin with a chain of 25 centimeters. So I'm going to crochet a chain of 25 centimeters, guys. So see you all on the other end. So I'm going to do my measurement. So when you're working, you need to have your tape beside you, guys. So here is my chain. Here I'm having exactly 25 centimeters. So I'm going to crochet one, first one, then I'll start crocheting downward with single crochets. So from here I'll be crocheting downward with my single crochets, guys, until when it's on the 5 stitches left. Then I'll change the stitch that I'll crochet there. So on the whole bunny, guys, I'm going to be crocheting single crochets and slim stitches. So all these lower bottom, they are going to be with single stitches. Then when I arrive the top, when it's on the 5 whole left, I'm going to crochet slip stitches there. So see you all on the top, guys, when it's on the 5 left. So right now, guys, I'm having 5 holes remaining here. So I'm going to make slim stitch. So I'll start from here. I'll make my first slim stitch, here the second, here the third, here the fourth, and here I'll make the last one. So I'll make a chain, then I'll start coming back. So all this position upward here, guys, when I arrive, I'm just going to be doing but the slim stitches. So after this position where they are the single stitches, I'll be working on the single stitches. So 5 slim stitch up, then downward I'll crochet single stitch. So my slim stitch has ended there, so I'll start from here and I'll be going down with single stitches to the other way downward. So that's how I'm going to continue my work, guys. So when you're coming down now, you should be putting your stitches but in front. Instead of putting behind, you put in front. So each time when you are crocheting where there are the single stitch, you should be putting your hook in front. You should not put it behind. You should be passing it but in front. So see you all on the other end, guys. So guys, this is how you just have to continue like this. You continue like this. When you continue working, this how your work has to be looking like. So you continue like this until you are having 35 centimeters. You're having 35 centimeters slash this way. Then after that, I'll put it together like that, then I'll sew the sides. So see you all on the other end, guys. So guys, right now I'm having already my 35 centimeters. So I've been working all through with the single and the slim crochet from the bottom. When I start from the bottom here with single crochets and I arrive on top of this way, I do my slim crochet here. So when I finish now, I'm going to show you all how I'm going to close it. And after closing it, you see it will become a perfect bunny. A perfect bunny, guys. So here I go. So you guys, you can see. So this is it. So I'm having 35 centimeters from here to here. I'm having altogether 35 centimeters. So I'm going to put together this way, the two of them together like this. Then I'm going to close. I'll use my crochet hook to close. So I'll start closing from this lower bottom. So I'm going to be closing like this, guys. So when I take one side from this position, I take one on the other position, then I remove. I take one from here, another one from there, I remove. So this is how I'm going to close. This is how I'm going to be closing like this. See, I arrived the top here, guys. See, I arrived this top here. So see you all on the other end, guys. So you have to remember, bunny, when you begin with the chain, after the chain, you just have to start crocheting single crochets. When you arrive, when it's only 5 left at the top, you crochet slim stitch, 5 slim stitches. So guys, keep on going. So guys, I've been closing from the bottom, so I'm almost done. So here I go. So you can see. So this is a position that I've closed from here right upward, guys. So right now I'm going to cut my yarn. I'll cut my yarn here. Then I pull. So the next thing, I'm going to use my needle. So I use my needle. So I'm going to pass this needle all around like this, guys, on top. So you pass it all around. So I continue putting it like that. See, I come back on this other point. So guys, when you put it all around to this position where I started passing the yarn, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull. You pull it, you pull your yarn, pull your yarn very well like that. Then you close the hole. Then you can pass your needle in. I pass my needle in like this. Then I turn it back side so that I'm going to sew it. I'm going to sew the remaining hole very well. I'm going to sew this well, guys. Like that. So you can see when you have sewn the top very well, guys, then the next thing that you do is you tie your yarn. So for me to tie my yarn, I'm going to make it this way so that it cannot get undo faster, or make like I'm making a chain like this. Like that. Then I'm going to cut with my scissors. Cut with my scissors. This other yarn that is trailing also, I'm going to sew it inside. Because you are finishing, you have to say good knot when you are doing your finishing, guys. You always try to clear off all the yarns that they are just hanging around. Try to sew them inside and you cut. That's it. So I'm going to cut now. Then I'll turn my penny back. Turn it back this way. Then I fix it well. So here is your beanie. So I'm going to wear it on top of the head of the mannequin, guys, and you see how beautiful it is. So let me put it on top of the mannequin. So you can remember when you start, you make your chain. You make your chain. It all depends on the size of the head, guys, because they are different sizes. This one that I made, it's for an average age of a child, meaning a child of between 8 to 12 years can wear this. So if you are making it for an adult, you make it, you crochet their chain to be longer so that it will be able to fit an adult head. Then the largeness, you should also make it to be well large. So let me put this on top of the head of the mannequin and we'll see how it's going to look like. So guys, you can see how beautiful it look on top of the mannequin. See? So if you have watched up to this stage, guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.